My best friend did not reply to my message for 3 hours. So naturally, I checked WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and even LinkedIn. I thought, maybe she became a secret agent. But no, she was online. And she was ignoring me. Yes, ignoring me. The Best Friend Award winner. At first, I felt confused. I asked myself, did I say something wrong? Is she angry? Did I forget her birthday? My mind started creating many stories. Sometimes we think too much when someone becomes silent. The next day at college, I saw my best friend talking to other students. She smiled at everyone, but not at me. Ouch. That hurt a little. I wanted to ask, why are you ignoring me? But I stayed quiet. Sometimes silence feels louder than words. That night, I became an overthinking champion. Maybe she found a new best friend. Maybe she hates me now. Maybe she is planning my emotional damage. But then I stopped and thought carefully. Sometimes people are busy. Sometimes people are tired. And sometimes people are fighting silent battles. Not every silence means hate. Finally, I asked her politely. She looked tired and said, I am sorry. I have problems at home. I just need some time. At that moment, I understood something important. Good friendship is not only about talking every day. Real friendship is also about sometimes we think people are ignoring us, but the truth is very different. So before getting angry, before crying, before overthinking, talk calmly. A small conversation can save a beautiful friendship. And yes, my best friend finally replied to my message. After only 9 business days, a real best friend may become quiet sometimes, but true friendship never disappears easily. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, has your best friend ever ignored you?